In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage key Zoom meeting settings as a host. We'll start in the Zoom web portal, because that's where the core meeting defaults live. Open your browser, go to zoom.us, sign in, then click Settings and head to the Meeting tab. Think of these as the rules that apply to every meeting you schedule, unless you change them later during a live session. First, lock down your security. Turn on Require a password when scheduling new meetings. It's a simple barrier that keeps random drop-ins out. Next, enable the waiting room. This gives you full control over who actually gets into the room and when. It's perfect for classes, interviews, or any session where you want to admit people in an orderly way. Consider restricting access to only authenticated users, so participants must sign in with a Zoom account. This reduces anonymous guests, though keep in mind that external attendees may need to create a free account. And once you're in the meeting and everyone you're expecting has arrived, use lock meeting to prevent anyone else from joining midstream. Now set your video defaults. Decide whether your own video starts on or off. If you prefer to settle in before appearing on camera, set it to off and turn it on when you're ready. For participants, it's often safer to start their video off by default to avoid accidental on-camera moments. You can always invite them to turn it on when appropriate. Configure audio next. Choose whether participants can join by computer audio, telephone, or both. If you expect phone callers, select both. To keep things calm at the start, enable mute participants upon entry. You can unmute individuals or allow self-unmute once you're ready for discussion. Under In-Meeting Settings, control how content flows. Set screen sharing to host only to prevent unwanted sharing, and switch to allow participants when needed. Manage chat by disabling private chat if you want conversations to stay visible to hosts, and consider turning off file transfer to avoid spam or unexpected attachments. For recording, decide whether you want automatic recording when the meeting begins, either locally on your device or to the cloud. If you use cloud recording, review whether participants are allowed to record and make sure you announce that the session is being recorded to keep everyone informed. Finally, during the live session, use the security button on the toolbar to quickly enable or disable the waiting room, lock the meeting, and control participant permissions like screen sharing, chat, renaming, and unmuting. If things go sideways, use Suspend Participant Activities to instantly stop video, audio, and sharing so you can regain control and resume smoothly.